sa inyo, napunta ako sa aking nais marating. Nais ko kayong pasalamatan.
Ako'y nagmumurang kamatis, nagpupumilit, literal old school, buhat bangko nakakabwisit. But it won't stop me from being grateful. I just wanna send a shout out from ako from the old school. If there's going to be somebody who gave me love, that'll be DJ Billy from the Disco Mix Club. He was my partner. Back then it's all about skills, just like Francis Magalona. All he wants is to chill, mahirap man ang buhay. We push positive things until wala nang duo. And now I'm going solo. So 1997 was the epic evolution. Things back then started the revolution. But it's all good, San Juan, Manila is the next stop. Doon ko nakita ang next level ng hip-hop. DJ Master Shock of H-Bomb, what's the deal? Just to buy his mixtape, I have to skip my meal. Hindi ako pwede dito. Muntik na akong matuluyan nung pumasok sa kumbento. And then I met Trix, the one, the great producer. Ang sabi ko, I wanna be a gospel rapper. And now I'm in the rap game like the crack game. I think the vision from Funkadelic Crew. Even though I'm lame, ngayon alam nyo na kung ba't ako isang I got in the graph game, nagpilit maging cool. Yo, 2007 when my skills got tested. Good old times when the scene's not infested. Mad love to White and the rest of the crew. Much respect to all the heads too. Peace. I want to put a special thanks and respect to Right One, first of all, the head of Pinoy Bomber Crew, and of course with his fellow graffiti artist who started it, Poser, Soup, S-Type, and the rest of the crew. Ate Jug of Bata Flava, formerly for East Flava. Maraming salamat po sa pag-welcome sa underground rap industry. All the graffiti crews, Crime Style, PSI, PSB Audio. In terms of rap game, sa Vision Funkadelic Posse, always stood real, always stood cool, and we believe in all the underground artists. Yun, maraming salamat po. At paabot pa pala pabati para kay Syke Dolero. Maraming salamat, Sir Syke, bilang alagad ng sining pag-recognize din sa akin bilang artist din katulad nun. Hindi man sa larangan ng rap kundi sa larangan ng sining. Maraming salamat po.